Pain in lower left abdomen can be caused by various conditions ranging from minor to serious. Here are top 10 possible causes of pain in lower left abdomen. 1. Diverticulitis. Diverticulitis is defined as inflammation of small pouches diverticula in the colon. Symptoms of diverticulitis are pain, fever, bloating, constipation or diarrhea. 2. Irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). It is a functional disorder affecting the large intestine. Symptoms of IBS are cramping, bloating, gas and alternating constipation, diarrhea. 3. Constipation. Difficulty in passing stool can lead to discomfort or pain. Symptoms of constipation are hard stools, bloating and a feeling of incomplete evacuation. 4. Kidney stones. Stones passing through the left ureter can cause sharp radiating pain. Symptoms of kidney stone are severe pain, blood in urine, nausea or vomiting. 5. Urinary tract infection (UTI). Infection in the urinary system, especially affecting the bladder or urethra, can lead to the pain in the lower left abdomen. Symptoms of UTI are pain, burning sensation during urination, frequent urge to urinate. 6. Hernia. Hernia is protrusion of an organ through the abdominal wall. Symptoms of hernia are localized pain, swelling and sometimes a visible bulge. 7. Ovarian cysts in women. Fluid-filled sacs on or inside the ovary can cause localized pain. Symptoms of ovarian cyst are sharp or dull pain, bloating or irregular menstrual cycles. 8. Ectopic pregnancy in women. Ectopic pregnancy is a pregnancy which occurs outside the uterus, usually in a fallopian tube. Symptoms of ectopic pregnancy are severe pain, vaginal bleeding, dizziness, a medical emergency. 9. Pelvic inflammatory disease (PID) in women. It is an infection of the reproductive organs which occurs often due to sexually transmitted infections. Symptoms of PID are pelvic pain, fever and abnormal vaginal discharge. 10. Gastroenteritis. Gastroenteritis is inflammation of the stomach and intestines which occurs due to infection or food poisoning. Symptoms of gastroenteritis are abdominal cramps, diarrhea, nausea and vomiting. When to seek medical help. If you observe severe or worsening pain, pain accompanied by fever, vomiting or inability to pass stool, blood in stool or urine, signs of shock, example dizziness, rapid heartbeat, consult with your doctor immediately to identify the exact cause based on your symptoms and medical history. This was all about pain in lower left abdomen. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share and subscribe.